Hey guys, welcome to Survival First. Today I want to show you a quick gear review. This is the Zippo hand warmer. I picked this up on Amazon, I don't know, about a year or two ago when it's on sale for $9. You know, I thought this was going to be a nice piece. You know, it's kind of shiny, and I like shiny things. I mean, really, who doesn't? But this is actually kind of a dumb piece of gear. I would have thought it'd been more useful than it actually is. So, first thing is this does not have any way to self-light. You can see this little piece here. This has to come off, and then you fill it with fluid. And then you have to take a lighter or a match or something, just go back and forth over top of this for about 15 to 30 seconds, or until it gets hot enough to ignite. Then you're going to place the cap back on top. And then you've got this handy dandy little bag here that's, I assume, fire resistant, that you put it back into, because this thing will get scalding hot and will burn you. And you slide it back into the little bag, and you can zip it up, and then you can push it up and down to expose some of these vent holes here and get the desired amount of heat out of it. Now, I say this thing's dumb because, one, you have to have the external heat source. You have to have this little bag here, and there's no way to determine, without this little cup that they provided you, how much fluid you're actually going to put in here. I don't know if you can really see that so well, but you got a half full and a full here. Now, a half full, this thing's supposed to run for 4 hours. With a full tank, it's supposed to run for 8 hours. Now, the other thing I say is dumb about this is there's no way to put it out. No way that it tells you there's a way to put it out. The only way I've found to be able to do it is take the top off, grab this little piece here, and pull it off and let the pieces cool down independently of one another. And that is the only way I've found to be able to turn this thing off. And you also can't leave fluid in it. So I put this on my shelf one time. I filled it up with the full tank, you know, for 8 hours of burn time. I left it on the shelf for about 3 days, came back, and it wouldn't light because all the fluid dried up and out of it. So anybody that's ever used Zippo lighters can attest to that fact, that they will dry out. And with Zippos, at least you have the lid to be able to cover it. This Zippo hand warmer, however, does not have a lid to cover it, so the fuel will dry up and out of this thing. So this piece, the Zippo hand warmer, I'm going to have to say it's an ineffective piece of gear for any outdoorsman, because it's so particular and there's so many things that you have to use with it that it's ineffective to me. Yes, it does meet the intent. It does get hot and it does keep your hands warm. However, there's so many pieces that you have to have with it. There's no way to self-ignite. There's no way to self-extinguish on this device, that it's not really all that useful. And for an outdoor piece, I would want, one, the ability to self-ignite. Maybe put one of the little flint rollers in here with it. That would make it great. And then maybe a snuffer of some sort to be able to put it out without having to take out a multi-tool or a knife and pull the little wick off of it. So that's my take on this piece. And as always, by failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Thanks, guys. It is on at the moment. So it's nice and hot, and I didn't want to burn my hands